Okay, running the power wire through the firewall. Ford Ranger. When you're installing an amp or a powered sub, you can run the wire. So we put the fuse here, strap the fuse here, and then there's a rubber here. There, yeah. So there's a rubber grommet here. You can run the power wire through there. Okay, installing a power wire or an amp. Okay, power wire. Okay, Ford Ranger. Okay, so ito quick guide. If you're going to install a powered sub, yung quick install lang, or we're installing a JBL Bass Pro SL2 dito sa Ford Ranger. Quickest way to install is kunin nyo yung signal sa B pillar, speaker wire ng rear. So yung driver side is eto, makikita mo twisted siya, twisted together. Yan, gray and purple wire, gray wire with purple stripes and brown wire with green stripes. Okay, gray wire with purple stripes and brown wire with green stripes. Yan yung speaker wire ng rear driver side. So pwede mong kunin yung high input dyan. Diyan ka kukuha ng signal. Sa kabila naman, Jomi, kunin mo yung ilaw. Tayo sa kabila, passenger side. Passenger side is ito. Yan, twisted din siya. Green wire with purple stripes and gray wire with purple stripes. Green wire with purple and solid gray. Solid gray wire. Okay, twisted yan. Makikita nyo twisted wire. So sa driver, passenger side is green wire with purple stripes and gray wire, solid gray wire. Yan. Ideal ikabit nyo yung meron siyang auto turn on para hindi na kayo magtatap ng remote trigger on. So power, ground and high input lang. Yun yung quick install sa mga Ford.